Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, on today's episode, we're going on a little field trip. We're going to stop by an orchard, then we're going to Helen, Georgia, then we're going to
Dahlonega,
Georgia to look at Christmas lights and stuff. It's kind of like a little Hallmark town, so we're going to bring you along and show you kind of the sights that we see, and we'll maybe even taste some food if we find something we like. So, all right, here we go. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So we're at the number 2 powerhouse, and I don't know if you can tell, but right over here on this part of the brick, one time there was an accident and there's 2 turbines in there, and one of them overspun and flung out, and it flew out of the building and knocked the side of the building down. You can tell where the repaired the brick. But, I thought that was always interesting. And this is, when the water's flowing now, this right here is a rapid, and they call that the hell hole. But you can see it's generating a little bit there. See the water coming out of the power plant. It flows down those big tubes right up there. It comes from a different dam, down the tubes, through some turbines and out down the river. So we walk down here, we might get a better look at where they repaired the buildings. Right there. Donut first. It's okay. It's not Vermont. I won't be a snob, but it's not. It's okay though.
Well, let's go let you try.
Okay, now we'll try a fried apple pie. They said their stuff was all homemade, so we'll see. That's pretty good. I don't know if it's any better than ours, but anyway. All right, we'll finish this up. Then we have a mocha. We're gonna try it. Okay, this is the mocha. Looks like it's got a lot of chocolate in it.
Chocolate.
You can smell the coffee in it. That's good.
It's really good.
That's really good. I like it better than the apple. It's got a strong apple. It's got like a chocolate and a strong coffee taste to it. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. So we just did our first stop, Mercer Orchard, and the sun's right my eyes. And we got 2 fried pies, 1 apple, 1 mocha.
Apple cider.
She got some apple cider. We got a donut. We left our review, so this is our first stop. What did you think about it? The building's nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really pretty here.
Yeah, they didn't have any seconds on the apples. Said they don't sell them anymore, so we didn't get
They
any
put it in their
apples.
cider.
Yeah. All right, our next stop will be Ellen, Georgia. We can get there. 37 miles. All right, we'll see you there. All right, so we're wrapping up our Helen, Georgia trip. We're going to Dahlonega. How you say it?
Dahlonega.
Dahlonega next. So we'll, when we get there, it's about 38 minutes or so from here. And this is kind of, what do you think about this? Kind of a way Gatlinburg used to feel, didn't it?
Yeah.
So,
It was fun though. It was a fun trip.
It has some good food.
Yeah.
I got some pictures of it that I'll post. We had a pork, what do you say? Schnitzel.
And an apple strudel.
And an apple strudel, and it was absolutely delicious.
An apple what?
Strudel. We got some olive oil, and I got some German mustard. So, all right, we're going to the next place.
Yeah. On to the next.
What?
On to the next.
On to the next.
You're supposed to do this.
Oh yeah. You ready?
On to the next.
On to the next.
Here we are in Dahlonega.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it, don't you?
I do. It's really
I like it
pretty.
better than, actually like it better than Covington, Georgia, which we think Star Dollar spent a lot of time there, but this is really nice.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
This pretty much concludes our trip, don't you think?
Yes.
We're gonna go eat, but we usually eat local, but we sent a Whataburger on the way in, so that's where we're going.
He wants Whataburger.
Oh, I love Whataburger. I don't hardly ever get it, so we'll go there and eat. So I know it's not, no big deal, but anyway. So I really enjoyed this town.
Yes. If you get a chance, come to Dahlonega, Georgia.
It's really pretty, really pretty.
A lot of old buildings too.
Yeah. A lot of kind of reasonable places to eat through here. There's a good place over there, over that way that we thought about eating, but I want a Whataburger, so that's where we're going. All right, we're gonna head to the house. We're gonna go get a Whataburger. We're gonna head to the house, and we'll see you tomorrow back on the farm. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
So here we
Oh,
are.
wait a minute. What are we talking
I don't know how to pronounce the town.
What am I supposed to say?
So here we are in Dahlonega. You ready?
No.
Go.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, is this good?
I think yes. Yeah, that's good.
All right, so I ain't got the bell though.
That's okay. Well, scoot up there. No way. Right here. So you can get it.
That's good.
You ain't gonna be able to get the bell.